Windows 11 isn't slow, it's just bloated. And most people never clean it properly, and now that it is spring, let's clean it up. Let me show you how I actually do it. I found an application that I'm using. It's called WinHance. Out of the box, Windows 11 comes with ads in the start menu, lots of widgets pre-installed, lots of apps pre-installed, and background services running quietly and eating away your memory, and settings configured for Microsoft to send all the logs, yeah, and data. If you care about performance, privacy, or just having a clean laptop, today is the day. Today we are going to debloat and personalize my Windows 11 laptop, and we will use a tool called WinHance. This isn't about breaking the system or stripping out essential components. It's about removing what you don't need, and we'll be optimizing it and configuring Windows so it actually feels like your machine. With Enhance, we can remove unnecessary applications, so it's basically just uninstall them. We can disable unwanted background features. You can adjust privacy and telemetry settings, optimize startup behavior, and customize the experience, and also just block all the ads and pop-ups and widgets. So let's get started. This panel on the left is called the Windows widgets. It is supposed to show you a lot of useful information, but by default it is pushing lots of ads, lots of news, and again the start menu also is so cluttered, it doesn't really look good, and it's always like at the back of my head bothering me, so I want to clean this up as well. And if we have a look at our processes and what's the current usage, it's always running a lot of background processes that I do not want. I mean, I can work on it myself and disable any startup applications, but yeah, so this is WinHance. The spelling is WinHance as in enhancement for Windows. So yeah, if you go through their website, you will be able to find their GitHub link as well. Looks very promising, lots of stars, lots of contributors, and different ways to install it. But what we're gonna do is we'll just go to their main page, download the MSI file or the exe, and just install it. I have fast forwarded this, and after completion we will launch the application. I found this application or the software quite user friendly. The UI seems very nice, very less clutter. So yeah, I wanted to uninstall the apps. So in this section, in software and apps, you can uninstall any unwanted applications. You just need to click on it, and on top you can see there is uninstall selected items, and that would uninstall this application. So from here I really wanted to uninstall Bing search, which was really causing me lots of frustration, but yeah, I did manage to find it and uninstall it. On the optimization side, you can go ahead here and optimize your overall Windows privacy and security, and this is also where you will be able to find the advertisement related toggles that you can disable. If you see ad suggestions and under the content delivery and advertising, so I would just like to deny everything. I don't want any ads. So yeah, this is how you will be optimizing what your Windows 11 should look like, and just keep it bare minimum, and only add what you want. That's the way I would like to do it, and I just kept going one setting at a time. I was able to bring it to a point where it no more makes me anxious looking at just the desktop clutter and the advertisements. So yeah, and then the section for customization, this is where you will do the changes on your theme. If you want to clean the taskbar, you can do that. So if I do that, it will remove everything from the taskbar. So that's exactly what I wanted. And yeah, you can further go ahead and move this. For example, I wanted to move all my start settings or the taskbar alignment to the left. I can do the same. I can change it to center, and after I save, it's not even save, it's auto saved. So once I exit from this app and do a quick restart, all of this should take effect. I have customized everything, and I will quickly show you how it looks like. So this is my full Windows 11 setup process: clean, minimal, and performance focused. If this helped, drop a comment and tell me what Windows feature annoys you the most. And if you appreciate this video, please do subscribe, and yeah, there's more coming. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.